Welcome back to our channel. Hello friends, I'm Pavitra and we're watching Learn Something with PABITRA. We upload so many videos of professional values and ethics, and now we are mm, uploading Java Oops videos. We upload part 1 and part 2. Part 2 is not visible here. You can see the part 2 the next time. If you check, when you check, you can see the part 2 also here present here. So we in part 2 we discuss class and inheritances. Okay, now in part 2 we are not discussed this topic, a final keyword, which we will discuss in this part 3. Then we will go to the our part unit 3 topics, okay, which is package and interface. Okay, after discussing the final keyword, which is the topic of part 2, but we will discuss it in part 3. Okay, so what is final keyword? The final keyword in Java is used to restrict the user from modifying the class, okay, method or variable. It can be applied to classes, methods and variables. Here's how it works. Okay, final keyword: if a class is declared as final, it cannot be subclassed. Okay, this means you cannot create subclasses that extends a final keyword. If a class is declared as final, okay, it cannot be subclassed. Okay, this means you cannot create subclasses that extends a final keyword. Okay, if a class is declared as final, it cannot be subclassed. This means you cannot create subclasses that extends a final class. Okay, I understand. The final keyword is used for one of the use of classes where if you are declared a class as final with this final keyword, then the class is final, means you can't inherit that class with another class. Okay, into another class you can't extend or inherit this constant keyword, means you can't extend this class after this is final, then you can't access this class. Access means inherit this class in other class, with other class by other class. Okay, you can't inherit this type of constant. So here the class name is like constants. Okay, for example, it is, you don't need to do like constants. You can uh, take the name as you want. Okay, so final keyword is used when for class, when you define a class as final, then that class can't be inherited by the other classes. Okay, cannot inherit it. Okay, then final variable means when you use in a variable final keyword, then what happened? Okay, if a variable is declared as final, its value cannot be changed once again assigned. Okay, when you assign a variable uh, with its value, then you can't change the value of that variable. Okay, this is the final keyword power when it is used in a variable. Okay, suppose here I have double value, return type and data type, and this is the pi. We know that pi value is 3.14. So when we don't need to change it, we have to this thing 3.14, anyone can change. When we want that anyone can't change this value, when then we will declare that variable as final, means this is can't be changed, the value, its value can't be changed, it's final. Okay, okay, then final method means when you use the final keyword in a method, what happened then what happened? Okay, So for that final method, if a method is declared as final, it cannot be overridden by subclasses. Means when your function name, not function name, when your function as declared as a final function, then you can't in inheritance you can't override. Means in inherited class, suppose you have a class dog, and in that dog class you inherit the animal class. Okay, inherit the animal class, so dog extends animal. So in that dog class you can't use the void it method. Means this is final, this is only accessible for animal class. You can't redeclare or override the it method in the dog class. Okay, means you can't override this class, this method, where use the final keyword. Okay, I hope you understand. Then the use of final provides a way to create classes, methods, or variables that are intentionally not meant to be modified or extended. Okay, then you need to here you need to package and interfaces. So first of all, we have package. Definition, defining a package. How can you define a package? Okay, so for that, in Java a package is a way in Java a package is a way in Java a package is a way to organize related classes and interfaces. Organize related classes and interfaces. Okay, it helps in avoiding naming conflicts and provides a structured hierarchy to define a package. You include a package statement at the beginning of your Java file. Okay, the package statement should be the first line in the file. Okay, always the package is declared in the Java, in your Java file in the first or top. Okay, then okay, suppose you have a package com.example.myproject. Okay, com folder where have one folder is example, where have your file myproject.java. So you can use that from your package in your program, Java program. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so this example declares that the classes this example declares that the classes in the file belong to the package which is com.example.myproject. Okay, now let me know what okay, I know you that going to the next topic, which is finding package. Okay, which in the next topic is finding package. Finding package means to use a class from another package, you need to import that package using the state import statement. This is necessary when you want to use classes that are not in the same package as your current class. Okay, if the class is not present in your same package, then you need to import statement or import keyword. Okay, so import com.example.other projects dot other class. Okay, here we import the other class from the com.example.other project package. This allows you to use other class in your current class without fully qualifying its name. Okay, now go to the next topic, which is introduction to interface. Okay, introduction to interface. We discuss above package, now we are going to interface. Okay, defining an interface. How can you define an interface? Okay, for that, in an interface in Java is a collection of abstract methods. Okay, abstract methods. Okay, it provides a way to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance to Define a interface. You use the interface keyword. It contains method signatures without implementation. You know that in C++ is a object-oriented programming, and there in inheritance have five type of inheritance, which is three types of five types of inheritance: multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and simple inheritance. This type of inheritance five. And in the Java we have only four, but when we use the multiple inheritance, then we need to use interface, not extend or inheritance. We only use the interface when we need to use the multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, so we can use multiple inheritance. This is the question, important question. We can use the multiple inheritance in Java using interface, or through interface we can use the multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, it's the public interface shape, void, draw, or double area, these two functions. Okay, now in this example the shape interface declares two methods, draw and area. Any class that implements this interface must provide concrete implementations for these methods. Okay, implementing an interface, how you can implement an interface. This is the uh, declaration, and you can implement interface like this. This is the interface declaration, and if you want to implement, then you can implements keyword. Use the implements keyword, and then you need to specify the name of your interface. Here interface keyword used for creating interface, then you can implement that interface in a class using implements keyword. Okay, there are used two different keywords. One is interface, and when you create interface, then in implements, when you keyword, when you implements that interface in a class. Okay, and this is the same process or same thing. When you use inheritance, then you are use here extends keyword, and then class name, extend class name. And here you are just, you need to just declare that implements, your implements what, shape interface. Okay, so like that, and you can use like this. They are only the declaration of methods, void and draw and area, and you can implement that methods, abstract methods here. Okay, I hope you understand. So here the circle class implements the shape interface and provides concrete implementations for the draw and area methods. Okay, so let's go to the next topic, which is predefined package. Any next, by saying next, we can go to the next topic, which is predefined package. What is predefined package? Let's understand it. Using predefined packages. Okay, which package are defined when Java is created? Okay, in Java program, these packages are defined. We do not need to define these things. Means these are predefined from Java. What Java community? Okay, Java team. Java comes with a set of predefined packages that provides a wide range of utility classes. Okay, these packages are part of the Java API, application programming interface API means. Okay, and include commonly used functionality. To use classes from predefined packages, you import them using the import statement. Okay, when we use array and when we use list in our Java program, then we need to import this type of import statement for using the array and list type of. These are just examples, but you can, when you need to use so many things which are predefined in Java API, then you need to just import them and then use them. Okay, so here one import is statement is import where from where java.util.arraylist, and another is java.util.list. Okay, then in this example we import classes from the java.util package, and the classes name is arraylist and list, including array list and list, which are commonly used for working with lists in Java. Okay, when we working with lists in Java, then we need to use array list and list. Okay, package list class from importing from java.util package. Okay, predefined packages cover various areas such as input, output, java.io, utilities, java.util, networking for networking, java.net, and more. They significantly extend the capabilities of Java. Means we don't need to write these complex classes. Okay, logic. Just Java developers, not Java developers, Java teams are already defined the complex logics for us, for our benefit, our simplicity. We just need to import them and use them in our project, that complex things. Okay, for simplifying our projects. I hope you understand. So now if we say next, then great, multiple choice questions. Okay, we cover all the topics of unit 3 also. So here you can see the unit 3, some multiple choices. So let's read them and answer them. Okay, what is the primary purpose of defining a package in Java? So let's see the examples. Primary purpose, okay, to create objects, packages, no. To organize related classes and interfaces, okay. To declare variables, okay. To perform mathematical operations, mathematical operations. mm, Package, organize related classes and interfaces. Okay, this thing, I think one one B. And then let's see, right, and read the second question. Why do we use the import statement in Java? To create new classes, no. To organize code into packages, no. To import predefined packages, yes. Now we sometimes ago we read that import predefined packages, we need to use import keyword. Okay, so here two, which C option C, and then 3. What is the primary role of an interface in Java? What is the primary role of an interface, primary role in Java? To organize code into packages, no. To provide a way to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance, yes. We can see the right answer is of question 3 is B. Okay, so now enter. What is the output? Great. Okay, great job on the multiple choice question. Your answer are correct. All three answers of these three multiple choice are correct. Now short question answer is written here. Short questions, what are? Okay, explanation, explain the purpose of the import statement in Java. Okay, this is the question. Explain the purpose of the import statement in Java. Purpose, which purpose we need to use the import statement. The import statement in Java, used to bring classes to entire packages into scope, making them accessible in the current source file. It allows you to use classes from other packages without fully qualifying their names. Okay, this helps in organizing code, avoiding naming conflicts, and promoting code reusability. The second question: how does an interface in Java differ from a class? Okay, now an interface in Java is a collection of abstract methods, means which not implemented, only just declared, that call abstract methods. Okay, so methods without implementation, which I am telling. Okay, and contains, okay, constants. Okay, it provides a way to achieve abstraction and multiple inheritance, as a class can implement multiple interfaces. Unlike a class, an interface cannot be instantiated, and it does not contain instance variables or constructors. Okay, instance variables and constructor does not contain a interface. Okay, classes that implements an interface must provide concrete implementations for all the methods declared in the interface. Which methods are declared in the interface, which are abstract methods, that all abstract methods need to implement in the class who each extend or implements the interface. Okay, I hope you understand. If you see the explanation before, okay. Can a class implement multiple interfaces in Java? Can a class implement multiple interfaces in Java? Yes, multiple interface a class can implement. Uh, means a class can implement multiple interfaces, okay, in Java. Yes, okay, a class in Java can implement multiple interfaces. This feature is known as multiple inheritance through interfaces. Okay, which is not directly doing directly, you can't do in Java, but you can use interfaces, through interfaces, the multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, it allows the class to inherit abstract methods and constants from multiple interfaces, enabling a more flexible and modular design. Okay, now we are covered all the topics of unit 3. So this is our part 3 video. Part 1 is already uploaded, and part 2 also already uploaded in our channel, which is also live video, and this is also a live video which is uploading today our channel. So if you want to getting more interesting videos like these topics, then you can subscribe our channel, and if this video is helpful, then you can like this video. If you think that this is helpful for you, then you can like this video. So thanks.